We're now on to the last 3 questions. Fantastic 8 marker here. So this is just filling in 8 words for 8 marks, talking about ecology. So we'll read it through. I would really encourage you just to memorise this passage of text to describe ecology and sort of ecological methods and their importance. It's a very good one. So ecology is the study of the interaction of organisms in an ecosystem with their first word we're looking for here is environment. This is made up of biotic or living factors and abiotic or non-living factors. In the ecosystem, a group of organisms of the same species living in one place is called a population. Different groups of species living in the same place or habitat is called a community. These are all just definitions that you just need to learn. This is all just recall of information here. To study the number and distribution of plants in an area, a wooded or metal frame is used. This is called a quadrat. Okay, quite a few of you in your answers put quadrant. It's not. It's a quadrat. Quadrant, I think, something to do with math, something different than what we want there. To compare numbers of organisms in 2 areas, several frames need to be placed at random places in each area, or randomly intervals. So you need to place them randomly around an area. You can't pick the places you want to place them when you're sampling, because inevitably if you pick it, you will deliberately put it on a region that contains more of what you want or less of what you want, depending on what your answer is. It has to be picked at random, and to do that you can just do a random number generator, and you will put that can give you 2 coordinates at which you'll put the top left hand corner of your quadrat in. The numbers in each frame are combined and then divided by the total number of frames. It's done to calculate the mean. Okay, I would prefer you said mean. It did allow if you said average, but again, as you know, there's a difference between mean, mode, and median. This is the mean average of calculated, so please get in the habit of using mean. By using several frames, we improve the reliability. Okay, second time this has come up. Doing repeats improves reliability. How much were you going to trust or rely on this data? And as well as increasing reliability, it allows us to detect any anomalies. Doesn't mean we're going to delete those anomalies, it just means we can see them and detect them. Okay, and just see, sorry, not any anomalies results, anomalous results. Anomalous results. It doesn't mean we get rid of them, we can't ignore them, but we can just start to see, oh, that's a bit of an outlier. It's going to increase the spread of our data. Perhaps we need to repeat that experiment again.